Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. Well, I'm going to show you my seedlings. Here is my lettuce. My blueberry is not growing yet because I replant again because the first seeds I plant is not growing, and also my rose is not growing also. And here is my lettuce. It is ice green lettuce. I'm going to transfer it in another pot when they are a little bit bigger. And here is my flowers, but there's a lot of this. I don't know what is this. This is the grass. Only few are growing because some birds eating this. And here's my California orange. They're showing now some. My lemon is not not yet. And here's my cherry mix tomato. I'm glad birds did not eat them all. And I do plant some of this again. And this is Brian's plant. Well, they are growing good. Here's this one. The bird ate this. Well, we're doing good. So, that's my update of my seedlings. Thanks everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.